see Zootopia Better Zoogether. We'll see you there. Bye. We're here in Animal Kingdom. And now we are going to do a Zootopia Better Zoogether. This is going to be super awesome. Dad's going to film it, not me, because I need to cover my ears and I cannot do it with one hand. So yeah, so we're going to do Zootopia Better Zoogether, and we'll see you there. We got a lot of animals to see too, and a lot of toys to buy.
Yeah.
That's why it's going to take that long until the next show.
Okay, stand by this side.
There's two strawberry elephants. We have an ankylosaurus. What? Viewers, if you don't see it, it's fake.
It's as real as you let it be, buddy.
No, it's fake.
Okay. To see Judy and Nick. I'm glad they erased it, the spiders. You're glad they did.
Anyway, hello everybody. Now we are going to go and see Judy and Nick, and we will still film this because we're staying for a little while. We're still staying. We're going to have lots of fun, and the show was lots more funner. The show was more funner that I'm deciding, like in a little while, we should do it again.
You think we should
right,
go again?
Dad?
Well,
right,
we'll
Dad?
see. We'll see how it
In
goes.
a little bit. In a little bit.
In a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll see. It was fun. It was a 3D show, so we didn't film all of it, but we got some video of some of the special effects and the music, the song at the end.
Yeah, the whole song at the end. And Dad, you did film Belle's Sweater's butt.
No, that's a spoiler. Shh, that's a spoiler. We're not going to show that part.
But Mom and Mimi already.
Yeah, but anyone else, other people who watch us might not have seen it. Maybe I'll film it if we go back in again.
Yes, please.
Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place.
survived. It's also was Gary's first time watching.
Oh,
it.
your Gary stuffy, it was his first time?
Yeah. And there's the line over there.
Before Zootopia founders became united, the world was divided into what? 2 types of animals.
Oh, that's easy. It's all wait, what?
The clock's ticking.
Okay. So we're only gonna stop thinking. You're talking out loud. It's early birds and Saturdays.
Sorry, Big B. The answer you are hunting for is predators and prey.
Donuts! Oh, we were never gonna see you go in concert.
Well, guys, it's been a lifetime at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Film yourself. I'm filming myself.
Okay.
And now we are heading out. Zootopia is good. Happy Zoogether Day, everybody. And tell my mom that I'm a snake, so she can adopt me to a Zootopia show. So yeah. Anyway, goodbye, and I love you. Goodbye, animals of Zootopia. Guys, I forgot about something. You want to see a magic trick? Guess what? I'm going to make this camera turn off. Abracadabra!